Fernando welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, na-invite po kami ng isang sikat na restaurant sa may Tarlac, Angeles City.
Ano kaya itong restaurant na to na matagal na namin gustong puntahan?
Guys, ito ang Rustica. Today is our grand opening. Samahan niyo po kami. Papakita natin. We're gonna give you a tour of the place. Of course, we're gonna give you a snapshot kung ano rin po yung mga sinaserve nila dito. And at the same time, yung kaganapan, ano po yung mga celebration na nangyari ngayon. So samahan niyo po kami if you wanna know more about this.
Welcome to Rustica!
Let's go! So ayun nga guys, welcome to Rustica Restaurant dito po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. And today we are witnessing the first ever crowd at saka mga dishes and meals that were served dito po sa bagong bukas na Rustica Restaurant. So again guys, if you have an event or a place for you to, dine for good food, make sure to check out Rustica. Actually, si Rustica po, napaka-popular na restaurant sa Tarlac. And it also became popular in Angeles City dun sa may Barangay Kutkut. And now, nandito po sila sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Tingnan nyo naman po yung the dining area. I mean, the restaurant in itself, it's well-designed. It's has an appreciation for arts. And at the same time, again, well-known po si Rustica for serving great food. And that's what we are experiencing right now. Ayan, ito po yung pagkain namin. Congratulations, Rustica.
My beloved Banji and Lito Miranda. Hindi ako sanay na Mr. and Mrs. They are the best manager and chef that Cravings and CCA have ever had.
Congratulations kay Lito at kay Banji. I cherish their friendship, wishing you more success in the future. Felicitasyon on your 5th branch.
Hindi lang nila tayo binibigyan ng masasarap na pagkain. Binibigyan din nila tayo ng magagandang lugar. Hopefully, hindi ito ang huli at maraming pang susunod. Thank you very much.